What's good, guys? It's your boy Polo sending back with another banger video. In today's video, we're putting the fog light. I'm making this intro very short because we're getting straight to business. Can people please tell this boy in the comments to get us car to drive? We've been waiting. He fixed the room, it took him 2 years. Now the car is also going on 2 years. You asked for those things not last year on your birthday, the year after, the year before. So we are putting the fog light inside. Here's Tyreek, and here's my car, and here's my queen. So I'm gonna get to business. I'm gonna hand the phone over to my videographer. But first, let me explain to you what I'm gonna do. Told you all, we're getting straight into business. We're gonna wash the car there. We got the important things there. Shiraz is coming with the other important things. So we must loosen here, so I can loosen the bumper, so I can take all of us things off, so I can get to the bumper. So yeah, I'll show you all nyana progress, and I'll show you all when the bumper is off.
Taking the main grill off to get to the screws that hold the bumper on. So I found out that the bumper slide was broken and it was mounted with a screw, hence the troubles taking the bumper off, but eventually we got it off.
It's about to go down.
So mensen, the bumper is off now. We're getting somewhere. We're gonna mark now because we must cut a circle, and we're gonna cut another circle here. But don't play with me, come my son. Bumper delete. So for all of the original owners that want those things, give me 5 clipper, you can have everything. Send me a message on Instagram, you can take it for 500 rand. So Darrell, just explain what did we do off camera. We did make the holes here, né? Because actually it was a process. Our holes is not perfect because in life we're not perfect, but the holes are holy. Exactly, because no one's gonna see underneath the cover. Yeah. So then, here's the one cover. We put a cover like this in its position. We're gonna clip it in, and then just put a light in there so the people. Yes, just like that. Gonna make a car look no. See, no, ne?
Understand?
Yeah. This conversion is gonna give us how much extra horsepower?
Maybe like
1,000, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then we did make holes so we can mount the fog light in the bumper. Yeah. So the hose is cut. Everything is around what? You. So we're putting in the grout. That's it. Perfect. So one girl is in, one light is in. Now we're mounting. Where's another screwdriver there?
Was the same, wasn't it?
Oh yes! After this mod, hopefully,
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I'm gonna put bags. I don't know where I'm gonna get the money from, but I'm gonna put bags. And then, dust cover kit. He's gonna make so for us. Must just press it in properly, understand? But we'll get the chance. I'm gonna see you in the next clip. But for now, please go and comment what you think. If you want this modification done, come to Cuts and Boys in Bullback's Garage. We'll sort you out. Send us a message, we'll give you a go. But go and subscribe, follow, and like and share the video. So Mensa, you're gonna see the lights toss on it. Stupid your car, ne? It's not connected, bruh. But they in. It's right. And it's left. That thing gives so 50 extra horsepower each. At least I know they're not gonna fall off like some people's Golf 1 matlets. But that's all that matters. So, thank you, Neboigi. Where they must get you? Shout yourself out. Give yourself a shout out there on Instagram.
On Instagram? Tell them there what his name.
I don't know what's your Instagram name.
So show them.
Yeah, show them fast there. Make fast. Hurry up there. Can you hurry up?
It's fine.
Are you gonna hurry up there? Oh, okay. Please, guys, say thank you to the real there in the comments. Cuts and Bags, my car is static. So, Aish, why you look so scared on the phone? The car looks scared, bruh. But yeah, as also in few pits here and there. I see when I'm doing such things, I don't know how to videoize. But yeah, because they put in the music on, I'm gonna go now. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna buy globes for the lights.
Please subscribe.
I'll buy globes for the lights when I have money. Okay. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for 2,000 subscribers. Next goal, 3,000. Oh yes. But for now, I'm gonna go and eat, drink, and smoke pipe and sort my life out. But choices. So yeah, thank you guys. Peace.